So eye cup, eye wash before doing, we are doing eye exercise. The same thing we can do. We have to do in the water only. See, now I have started doing eyes up and down, slow movements. You need to do like completely stretch up, completely down, stretch down, so that we can do at least you can do 10 to 15 times. Okay, so this is the first exercise which we are going to do. Maximum stretch up, maximum stretch down. Then next, second exercise number 2, moving right and left and right. We need to stretch right completely and left completely. So this is the second exercise. Same thing in the water only, we have to do it. That's why I'm just showing you in the demonstration. So you can practice once here, then you can take a water and you can do it. Yes, see, you can completely move ice ball. Same thing when you're holding in a cup size like water, you have to do it. This is very good beneficial. It cleans the eyes thoroughly, relieves the tension, eye strain in the eyeball. So we are doing right. Second eyes. Now third exercise, you have to rotate it like big circle. Okay, so I'm doing big circle. You can see it. It soothes the watery and sore eyes. If you have a sore eyes, it will be useful for treating the myopia and hypermetropia and presbyopia and headache. These all will be cured by practicing this. Improves eyesight. This helps to control the increase of speckless numbers. Numbers will reduce. So you can practice this like daily or weekly once. Yes, and reverse. You can do reverse 10 circle, other side circle, 10 circle, 10 exercise. After that, last fourth exercise, blinking eyes, close open, close open. The 4 exercise you need to do in the when you use eye cups in the water. We need to practice with the water. Okay, so rotate nicely like big circle. Always sometime what happen, we are not able to rotate, no, that will not get benefited. You have to rotate nicely big circle making. Okay, see, I am making like as much as big circle like that. You can also try more big circles both side. Okay, now I'm cleaning the eye cups. I'm making ready. I'm cleaned properly eye cups with the normal water. I'm taking with the like clean water in the cup. So in the clean water also I'm cleaning once more, so that it will be clean nicely. Okay, so clean water I'm taking, then I'm putting little water. That also I'm cleaning. I'm not keeping there. I'm checking any dust, small things also. We have to clean it, because eyes, no, when we use for cleaning eyes, should use clear water. Okay, so I've cleaned. I've checked everything both side. Now I'm taking water, cleaned water. It is filter water, saline water. Okay, and if you want, you can pinch of salt. You can put in the water. Otherwise, not required. Okay, so now I'm going to keeping for closing to my eyes, both cups. Now I am doing right to left to looking 10 times, up and down 10 times, then rotating 10 times, and making you blink, closing eyes, open eyes. These 4 exercise I am doing it. So I will do 3 times same thing. So after doing water, you can pour it 10 times, right left, up and down 10 times, rotation 10 times, and close open 10 times. Okay, same thing which we have done previous exercise. Now I am pouring water. Again I am taking water, and again I am doing it, so that you can relieve lot of from the tension, like increase the blood circulation around the eyes, which helps to diminish the dark circle, helpful for the tiredness of puffy eyes, irritation of the eyes, redness of the eyes, watering of the eyes, so that insomnia can also be easily eased, as this eye exercise gives you the eye rest, and this gets something like a workout during the cleaning eyes with the waters, which prepares the relax. Okay, practice at home daily, 3 days a week or 2 days a week, weekly once. This will help you relieves sleeping disorders. Okay, and this is for students, it's very good. Then study longer better with the relaxed eyes. For students, IT professional, they can work better and longer laptops. So readers, like improves the reading, reduce the tiredness in the eyes. Driving the relaxed eyes will reduce accidents and better visibility. Okay, and always don't do, if it is you have wooden eyes or maybe just surgery has done, don't use this. Okay, thank you.